What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with penniesandthousands.com. I have another video, another site that I'm going to show you how I make money with. The link to this site will be in the description. It's completely free to sign up, so I recommend you sign up for it. First and foremost, you'll see here my balance. I have $6.61 in my account. I'm going to cash that out in this video. I'm going to show you the different ways you can cash out, different ways you can make money, all types of things like that. And before I get deep into this video, I want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in making money in any kind of way, subscribe and click the bell notification. That way you don't miss any money making opportunities. Okay. So like I said, this app you can do a variety of things. You see here when you first create your account, you log in, all that kind of stuff. This is the home page. You'll see different offer walls you can choose for. You can actually click load more and a couple more pop up. If you go over here to earn, you'll see here they have recommended surveys, watch videos. So I'm just going to click on recommended, see what they have for you. Recommended is really just the same page. So going over to surveys, you'll see here all of these surveys that you can choose from. And the thing about it, you see the amount of time they're taking you is not long at all. Right here, 3-minute survey, 50 points. You know what I'm saying? I kind of scroll down to show you 10 minutes, we got 50 points, 4 minutes, 50 points. So these surveys don't really take a long time at all. When it says not available, I mean, they really haven't had enough people to actually do the survey to really come up with the average time, but there's still surveys that you can do. So that's the survey part of the website. Also, if you go to earn, you go to watch videos. Now, there's a lot of money in this watching video section. You'll see here today, I've watched 35 videos, but you see the past few days, 194 watches, 182, all of these number of videos that are played and the points that I've earned from all of those videos right here every day. You know what I'm saying? The thing about it is you get bonuses on top of that. So I heard my bonus for the 7th, I'll get that coming up. Bonus for the 14th, I'll get that coming up. Bonus for the 21st. So lots of bonuses in it. Just watching videos. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm getting 9 points, 2 points that day. I was a low day, 11 points, 16. And these points, each point is equivalent to a penny. So like I said, just watching videos, I mean, it isn't going to get you a lot of money, but it can just add to the money you're getting from, doing the surveys and doing the offers. So I recommend you watch videos on it. You can actually run it in a separate window. That way you can, take surveys and do offers and let your videos run in the background so you can continue to make money, kind of like double, if you will. So going back to the home page, like I said, there's a variety of things you can do. Click on Agate Rewards. You'll see here they have, this is probably one of my favorite ones to do. What I like to do here is I like to order it by easiest. That way, everything that you'll see here is easy as you can do. All you gotta do is click all coupons and print can be completed once a day. So you can do that once. Click on the subscribe button or the banner, you get 4 points for doing that. I mean, this is stuff that's quick and easy. Complete registration and confirm entry. That's just basically, just signing up for something, getting your points. And if you don't like it, you can get rid of it. Click it, open the link, 1 point for that. Complete registration with a valid email. So all you gotta do is give them a valid email. Doesn't have to be the email you use for everything. I always recommend people, create a separate email just for doing offers so your real email doesn't get, flooded with spam. You do that, you get 11 points. You know what I'm saying? The thing here, valid information again, 36 points, 46 points. There's a lot of money in the offer. So like I said, you just go to the offer, add gate rewards, sort it by easiest. That way, it's something you can do and just rack up your points that way. All right, now you can order it, different ways, lows to high, high to low, the newest ones, things like that. But really just depends on you and what you want to do. But there is money in offers. So I recommend you taking a look at the offers as well. You'll see over here to the side, they have this chat box. Now, the thing I like about this chat box is like sometimes you'll have a question and in some sites you have to reach out to support or send a support ticket. But here, most of the time when you have a question, you could just answer it in this chat box, and then the moderators, they will actually answer it here. You'll see here it's temporarily closed because no moderator is currently available. So, I mean, throughout the day, they will become available. I mean, they don't stay going for long. But you will see here, right here, bonus points to the first 8 users who click here and enter this code. And you see here, they got 6 points for doing that. Periodically throughout the day, they will always have things like this, the first 8 users. I'm gonna see if I can find another one here. Another one, first 8 users do this code, you know what I'm saying? So the thing is, you can just really see, that people are, just making money doing a variety of things on there. They'll always show you when people are cashing out, what kind of surveys they're doing, things like that. And there's pages full of this, you know what I'm saying? So when you're on this site, always kind of take a look at the chat box and see what people are doing and see if they're offering any bonus codes, see if you can actually rack up your points, things like that. As far as cashing out, they have a gift card store that you can take a look at. Lots of different gift cards. Just kind of scrolling down, they have pages of them. I mean, there's so many gift cards you can choose from. There'll definitely be something on you can like, from stores that you can visit, from restaurants. They got Amazon, they got PayPal, they got all that good stuff. Pretty much, like I said, anything is on here. There's pages and pages of gift cards on here, and a lot of them, all you have to have is like $1 or maybe $2, in order to cash out. So it doesn't take you long to reach your amount of money. If you want to know how, been using the site for a very long time. You'll see here, I have 1,137 completions. That's surveys, that's offers, all that kind of good stuff. So I've been using it for a very long time, making good money with it. If you want to actually put your money right into your bank account, you can also do that. Right here, they have other rewards that you can do. And right here, they got Bitcoin, direct deposit, they got PayPal, you can get a Visa gift card, all these kind of good things. So I'm going to actually do the direct deposit. So I'm going to click here. And all of this that I have blurred out basically is my my past cash outs, but it has like my personal bank information, all that kind of stuff. So I don't want that out on YouTube, obviously. But I mean, that's all it is. I've been cashing out with the site for a very long time. So I'm going to do direct deposit. And again, over here is my personal information, my account number, routing number, all that kind of stuff. But I have you can do this at $5, taking it to your bank. Like I said, the other gift cards are $1 or $2, but in order to go to your bank, it has to be $5. But I have $6.61 in my account, so I'm actually going to cash out that whole thing. $6.61. You see here, redeem for $6.61, and just make sure all my bank account information is correct. I'll click on redeem. Are you sure you want to make this redemption? Okay. And you see there my balance went down, and this reward has been submitted. So just like that, it's cashed out on this site. Like I said, I've been using it for a very long time. There's lots of opportunities on here, lots of offers you can do, surveys, videos, the bonus codes that you can type in, throughout the day. So there's lots of opportunities. Again, the site is completely free, so I recommend you signing up for it. If you're interested in making even more money, visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I use in order to make money. And if you're interested in knowing how to make $150 every single day, I can teach you how to do that. All you have to do is book a one-on-one session with me. It'll take me less than 30 minutes to explain to you the process and what I do in order to make $150 every single day. All right, so like I said, the link to book a session will be in the description. Click on that. Watch the video that I have on that book a session. It kind of explains, how the session goes, how I'll teach you different things like that. But the thing is, after you book that session, the next day you'll have all the tools you need, all the information you need in order to start making that kind of money. So like I said, book a session so you can start making some real money, and definitely sign up for this site. Doing offers, doing surveys, a lot of good money into it. It's completely free. Link to this site is in the description as well. And always remember, every penny counts.